Hi to all. Uh, Here I have created the forum. This is my course page, Women's Writings. First of all, to add an activity, we have to turn editing on. Then we get here, add an activity or resource. Here, in order to get this, we have to uh, click on add an activity or resource. Since already I have created, I will show by going to the edit settings here. So this is the page where I created forum. I need to give the title, that is discussion on the poem Still I Rise by Maya Angelou. Here I have taken the article from DOAG site. I have given the link on figurative language. Then I gave the instructions to students that they need to read the article and make notes of it, and then they need to write about 300 words, submit the same by 10th October. Then in order to give all the instructions, I need to click on expand all. Then I get all this. The dates are mentioned here by giving all this. Maximum attachment they can do 1 MB. Then maximum number of attachments also 1. Then I have given all these instructions and then go to save and display. Here students can view. By here they can click on this link, read the article, and reading these instructions they can add discussion to this forum. Thank you.